Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back here in Eco Paragon, where we are having the 2-bed, the 1-bed and the 3-bed, an off-plan project, the hotel residence that we are trying to put up here in Abidjan GRA. I'm going to be flipping my camera over so that I will give you our latest site update. Congratulations to my smart investors that already keyed in long time ago. You are really going to be encouraged at the rate at which we've gotten to in this project. Enjoy the rest of this video and I'll see you soon. These are the locations for the apartments, the 1-bed and the 2-bed. So you see that we started work already and we are making progress as the day goes by. Okay, so I'm going to still take you to where we have the 3-bed terraces. Some have gotten to the roofing stage, some are yet to get to the roofing stage, so we're going to see that now. Don't forget that this is a hotel residence. In other words, whatever it is that you could get from a hotel when you lodge in one, you're going to be getting that here. Peradventure you don't want to use your apartment or your unit or your terrace, you don't want to live in it, you can actually put it up and you make money from it. Location is Abidjan GRA, just 3 minutes away from the Lekki Expressway. If you hit the road from this Eco Paragon estate, you are heading to the express and it's just going to drive and you will get to the express. Workers are on site, a whole lot is happening, so let's keep touring together. And this is actually a perfect time to hit the subscribe button, because if you don't subscribe to this channel, you will be missing out on our latest update on any project we introduce in this channel. Okay, so hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop any updates in here. So these are where we are having the 3-bed terraces. You can see that this one is already at the roofing stage. Very soon we'll get to that. We have taken this up to the first floor level. We are still going to move, do more things. So you can see that workers are on site, but I want to take this way so that we can take a proper view of what we've done in here. This is actually encouraging. Okay, we started this project sometime in February, January, and look at what we've achieved within this space of months. This is the only off-plan project that you can come across today, and you will be happy you keyed in when it was just bricks and sands, when it was just a bare land. There were investors that did that. That's because they believed in us, and you can see that we did not fail. We kept our promise to deliver this project. We gave 18 months, but I bet you that within 12 months we are going to deliver on this project. These are the terraces, and I mean, you could see that for yourself. I don't need to tell you much in here. So if you still want to get any of these units, call me on the number displayed on your screen so that we can get 1 or 2 units for you in here. We are almost selling out, 90% sold out, because there is no how smart investors will come across this kind of project and not key in. So call the number displayed on your screen so that I can get you 1 or 2 units immediately. Welcome back, viewers. That actually brings us to the end of this tour. You can see that we've made a huge progress. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and call me on the number displayed on your screen for virtual or physical inspection if you want to own a unit here in Eco Paragon. Till I come your way again, enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.